Hi, I'm Laura Barto from Studio One Stampers, and I want to welcome you to a wonderful discovery that I made. I found this amazing all-inclusive kit in our brand new annual catalog from this summer. It's called Simply Citrus. I had so much fun making these cards. This kit includes 15 cards, 5 different designs, and 3 of each one. I had so much fun doing it. I thought the only thing that could be better is if there were even more cards and more fun to be had. So I went ahead and took the stamps and ink from the set and made 4 new designs that are fun folds. And I'm putting them together for a kit for you with 8 cards, 2 of each, for just $12 or free with a $50 purchase during July. So let me show you how to put together these fun folds. I had so much fun making this set of adorable cards from the Simply Citrus all-inclusive kit. Here they are. Here are the 5 cards. I tried to make them just the way they are in the brochure, and you do get full instructions. So you've got the pictures here, and then you also get pictures here and more instructions in case you want a little bit of Japanese too, and then more instructions here as well, more pictures to show you what to do. So it's super easy to follow them, and of course everything comes in this box, so you can keep this box and keep your projects in here while you're working on them or when they're finished. It's just a great storage box, and you can hang on to your stamp set and your inks as well. Besides the cards and all the card supplies, you also get ink. You get a little Night of Navy ink spot, so that's for your inking. You get a block that you can put all of your stamps on, and of course here is the adorable stamp set. I've got a couple of them over here to use in a minute, but it's got 4 different greetings and the cute little citrus theme, so just adorable. You've got your glue dots that you can use to assemble your cards and put on these cute little embellishments. They're just little flowers that just sort of sprinkle all over everywhere. So anyway, just so much fun. You're going to just absolutely love making this kit. So let me show you how quickly one of the cards goes together. So I already went ahead and stamped this piece and just popped it right out of this. It's already die cut ready for you. And then here are the other pieces that are required for this card. This requires a little bit of stamping if you want to do that. What you'll do is you'll just go ahead and stamp the images over top, the little leaves and different things like that, and then glue this down after you tie around a little bit of the twine. So you'll just tie a little bow around here, lay that down, lay this piece down, put a couple of dimensionals on there, and you've got your finished card. And here's what it looks like once you've added the little stamping and those cute little embellishments on there. Isn't that just so sweet? Anyway, super simple and fun to do. So once you have your stamps and your ink, let me show you how easy it is to make some adorable fun fold projects. Here's the first one. Isn't that just so much fun? Hello Sunshine. And here it opens up like that and then opens up like that. And this is all part of the kit. So here are the pieces, and I wrote out the sizes for you so you could see. I've gone ahead and used that leaf stamp to design the 2 sides. Use a bone folder to just add that on the nice crease in there. And then this piece goes inside like that. Of course, I would glue it in place. And then this piece goes on here. I've already glued the designer paper on. A little dimensional, put the dimensionals on to add the greeting right here in the center. Oh, that's so cute. And then a little glue dot to put the bow on. Isn't that so adorable? I just love this little citrus stamp set. All right, the second one I want to show you is using the stamp Way to Go, and that's of course in this set. And this cardstock is it's 4 1/4, sorry, 4 1/4 by 7, and scored at 5 1/2. So you'll just have to remember that that's not quite right, but that's okay. So we're going to score here. We've scored it at 5 1/2, and then it's important to go ahead and get this piece glued in place. So I'm just going to quick do that because it's hard to see where to put the pieces unless this is in place. So that's in place. And then this piece goes at the bottom. Now you can see I don't have that glued on, but then I'm going to go ahead and quickly put this on here. Isn't that beautiful paper? This is Flowers for All Season Designer Series paper. All of these are made that way. And I need just a little bit of glue at the top because this is going to open up. Oh, and the bottom as well. There we go. Yep, because this is going to open up. So I'm lined up perfectly down here. Hold that in place and then go ahead and kind of glue this as a bridge on there. And I'll just hold that a moment because I want it to stay. And then add a couple of dimensionals on the back of this little greeting that says Way to Go. Kind of move my dimensionals toward the center so they hold on to this little beautiful little sunflower piece. And there we are. Okay, and look at how that opens. Isn't that so much fun? Just a super, super easy way to go. All right, let's go on and look at the next one. The next one is a pull-up card or pull-up Z-fold card, and see how it goes like that, and then you open it up like that so you can send your message in there. Isn't that just so fun? Well, let me show you how that one goes together. That one is 4 1/4 by 10 1/2, scored at 5 1/2 and 8. And again, I do want to go ahead and get this inside piece glued in first. So I want to put that in, and I want to get this strip of designer paper at the bottom as well, just so I can see what's going on. There we go. And you can see that that floral was the back of the one that we just used. And then I'll add my designer paper. I love this paper. The only problem I have is deciding which side to use because I love it all. That's going to go up there. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put a little glue at the top of this piece because I want that to sit right there. And I've got a couple of these little leaves that I already cut out from the stamp set. And I'm just going to go ahead and put those on. I'm trying to hold this down so it stays. Sometimes I just need more hands than I have, but that's okay. That's the fun of crafting. We get to use all of our hands to make all these fun things. And then I'm going to take this little greeting, put a couple of dimensionals on there as well, and put that down, and then just add a bow with a glue dot, and I have an adorable Z-fold pull-up card. All right, so I have one more card to show you, and this one is a gatefold, and this gatefold opens this way. Isn't that fun? Opens up that way. And this particular one is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 and scored at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8. So I'll just quickly show you how that goes together. And of course we have to remember not to put any glue there so that so the card does open up. So, all right. So I've gone ahead and stamped some of those cute little citrus themes on here. And also I've stamped the little lemons and a couple of leaves here and colored them in. And I just used a couple of markers. You could use markers or pencils or whatever you have around. It's all, you know, lots of different things to color with. And again, this is more paper from the Flowers for All Seasons. I want to go ahead and I want to make sure I get this just glued at the top, remember, so the card will open up. I just want to let that sit there for a second. And then I want to show you a little something about an easy way to cut your little flags. I have these little flags here, and they look good if they are the same as opposed to if they're different. So what I'll do is I'll decide that I want to go in about that much to the tip of my scissors, and then I'm going to cut from the corner to that cut line and a corner to that cut line as well. You can see there we are, but now I want this one to match up as well. So I'm going to put this one underneath here. There you go, lined up, so that I can cut that one exactly the same as I'm cutting this one. And you can see, there we go, that worked really, really well. So see how now they look exactly the same? And I would do the same thing on the other side. I would use this one as my guide to flip that over. And I don't need to cut in the middle because I already have my middle figured out. Just come right into the middle there and into the middle here. And then of course then do the same thing where I use this one as my guide on that side. So now I have my pieces looking just the same. I just wanted to show you that little trick for getting everything to look nice and even, and let's see how I did. Alrighty, looking good, looking good. That's just what I wanted it to look like. So then that will go together on here like that, and then I'll add my cute little lemons and put dimensionals on those, and add my little leaves as well, and then I got a cute little fun fold. So let me show you a couple of other things you might be interested in, because of course all of these cards, 2 of each, are free with a $50 order right now, so you can get that kit, and that $50 order can include anything you want. So here are those 4 cards, those 4 fun folds. Isn't that just wonderful? This one, and then of course this cutaway card. So let me show you some of the products that I used on these cards. One is my very favorite set of designer series paper, A Flower for All Seasons. It's a 6x6 set, and of course it all coordinates with the 5 brand new in colors. We also have in color ribbon in all 5 of those colors, and the matching markers, the in color markers, and of course who couldn't use a package of Whisper White cardstock. So I hope you're thinking about what you can put together for a $50 order so that you can get 12 fun fold kits free. And also it is July, and during July Stampin' Up! Has the $5 bonus coupon available to you that you can use for an August order. So every $50 qualifies for a $5 bonus coupon. So wow, what great deals for these hot days of July. Well, enjoy all your stamping.